Ian from Lean Media. I'm going to show you how to create a Black Friday Cyber Monday promotion for your Amazon FBA goods. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me. Let's get started. First place you should go actually is FBA inventory, and then make sure you have enough items in stock for Cyber Monday Black Friday deals. And what I usually do is I go to this page, I click available, and these are the top items that I have available. So this one actually has 110, and then there's 120 more coming in from my supplier, hopefully in time for Black Friday. So I'm going to use this one. The information you're going to need is the SKU or the ASIN. So once you have that information, then what you need to do is you need to open up the advertising Prime exclusive discounts page. So I'm going to open that up in a new tab. And a couple things about this page. So first of all, if you do not see the ability to create a discount, your account either may not be the right type or you may not be approved for that particular brand. So that's for a separate video. But I'm assuming that you are able to create a discount. And you can see I've created many discounts in the past. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the button, create a discount. One thing I'm going to remind people about, please note that setting up both Prime exclusive discounts and Prime exclusive best deals on the same SKU can result in both promotions getting suppressed. And then the other issue that comes up with this is sometimes people, they set up a Prime, like a Black Friday Cyber Monday deal, and the product is already discounted. Maybe because of a coupon or something else. And then they're basically stacking these discounts on top of each other. Some sellers have been really burned by this in the past. So just make sure that your product is not already discounted during the period in question. So then press create discount. And then there's already buttons pre-selected or buttons you can click. Is this a Black Friday discount? Is this a Cyber Monday discount? So one thing you should know about this is actually in the past, Black Friday and Cyber Monday used to be like a long weekend. So it would start on Friday, end on Monday. Now it's like a week long. So if this is for both of them, you would select both of these checkboxes. And it says this discount will run the entire duration from the start of Black Friday to the end of Cyber Monday. And the end of Cyber Monday is not on Monday. It's like at 11:59 p.m. on the 27th. So this is going to be a really long promotion if I do both of them. So maybe what I want to do actually is I'll do a Black Friday discount for this item that I've already mentioned before. This one right here. And then I'll do a separate Cyber Monday discount. So hopefully what I want to have happen here actually is people, they check on Friday or maybe on the weekend, and then they come back a couple days later to see if anything new is available on our store or whatever. So I'm going to call this this product, I just have a nickname, it's called Light Green Black Friday 2023. Is this a Black Friday discount? Okay, discount start date is on the 20th, and then the discount end date is on the 24th. So I'm going to save and add products. And then I'm going to add the SKU. So let's just do that. SKU is right here. And I'm going to do a percentage off. So this product is about $28, and I'm going to give a 25% discount, which is really good for us. And then what I need to do actually is just make sure that I'm giving the right amount. So 28 times 0.75, that's 25% discount, $21. So one thing that I've learned about doing these minimum price things, this tool is really set up poorly. It has to be an exact dollar amount. You cannot include cents, and it has to be like, it has to really reflect what the minimum price is if you take 25% off. So I'm going to see what happens when I put in $21. Operation, this just means that you're creating a new one. Again, this tool was created by engineers or product managers who don't really understand the way that sellers think, but hey, that's Amazon for you. I'm going to submit the product, and let's see if they accept it. Validating prices, so it's checking to make sure that the 25% will be accurately reflected. So it looks like it's okay. It says this Prime exclusive discount must be at least 20% off of your price or sale price, whichever is lower. Discounts not meeting the guidelines will be suppressed later. Okay, so I make it an error message later on about this, but that's the basics of creating a Black Friday or Cyber Monday discount on Amazon for your Amazon FBA goods. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.